In this video, I'm going to show you how to create funnel paths or branching decision trees in your funnels. There are so many different benefits to doing this in your funnels and many different use cases, like being able to offer your leads a smaller offer when they aren't quite ready to opt in for your big ticket item, or redirecting them to your homepage when they opt out of your funnel entirely. So whatever it is that you want to achieve with your funnel paths, we can do. So let's go ahead and create some, and I'm going to navigate over to our funnels by clicking on funnels on the left-hand side. And I'm just going to continue working in the funnel that we were working on previously, which is my funnel. And here we have our opt-in page that takes them to a bridge page. And on our bridge page, we're saying, hey, if you like that, you might like this. And we're making an offer for the product that we're selling. We're saying, hey, you want to check this out? And here we might want to give them the option to say, no, thank you, I'm not interested. And to do that, we're going to create a funnel path. And so creating a new funnel path, we're going to go to the path icon over here under the page where we are wanting to create that split in our funnel. And I'm going to simply click on that. And here I can start adding new paths. And to do that, I just have to click Add Path. So now I've got path 1 and path 2. I want to differentiate these paths a little bit. So I'm going to click on path 1 and I'm going to make it green. And I'm going to say that this is my success path, so I'm just going to call it yes. And then path 2 is my declining path, so I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to say no, giving it a little note so I know exactly what's going on with these funnel paths. And then I'm going to hit save. So now I'm just going to add a little thank you page to the no path. It's like, oh, sorry to see you go, that sucks. But here we go. I'm just going to click on the plus icon. No, I don't want an opt-in page. I want a thank you page, and I'm just going to say, sad to see you go, and I'm going to hit save. So now we've got our two funnel paths. I also just want to go ahead and edit this page a little bit so that I know this is definitely my oh shucks page. So I'm going to apply that to my page, make it very simple, and say, ah shucks, sad to see you go, what a pity. Publish that page, and off we go. So now I'm going to navigate back to my funnel. So you'll see when I scroll down here that I now have a warning next to my bridge page. I have my two funnel paths, my yes and my no path. But the problem is, if I hover over this warning symbol, that I need a link to path 2 on my bridge page. My bridge page currently only has one button, and that one button is taking me to the yes path. There's nothing that allows my leads to say no thank you. So I need to click into my bridge page and I need to add that button. So I'm simply going to click over here and I'm going to add a new container. And within that container, I'm going to add a button. And I just want to customize this to say, no thanks. And then I want to make sure that my redirect is taking me to my second path. So I'm going to come here to my redirect. I'm going to add. It's going to take me to my next funnel step. And I want to make sure that the funnel path is going to no. And that's going to take me to my sad to see you go page. And it's not going to take me down path 1. Also just want to make sure that this button is nice and centered. So I'm going to click on the container itself and I'm going to center that button. I could then go and customize that button to my heart's content, but for right now, I'm just going to leave it as is. Then I'm going to go ahead and publish the changes that I've made to this page. And now when I navigate back to my funnel, you'll see that that warning has gone and that these are actively working. So that is how you can create funnel paths within your funnel. You can obviously go ahead and make as many paths as you want. So just to show you, if I come over here and click on the path over here, I can add as many paths as I feel is necessary. This is maybe a little bit excessive, so you might want to do it within reason, but depending on how many paths you want in your funnel, there is no limit. So feel free to do what you want to do and what you need to do. But that is the basics of how you can start adding funnel paths to your funnels. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to run split tests in your funnels. I'll see you there.